Hello there, my name is Filip Dajneka, I am CEO of Flatlogic, and I want to present you our new product called Flatlogic Web Application Generator. Using it, you can generate content management systems or data management systems as a web application simply by defining a database schema and your stack. So let's take a look at the process. So you click on the Generate Your App. For example, we want to create a bookstore to sell books online. We define the name here, then we go next. Here we choose from the list of available frameworks. So I prefer Vue for the front end. I click next. Here I choose from the list of available designs. I like material, so I click next. Here is a schema editor. It must be very familiar for software engineers because it's a standard way to define in the tables or entities with relations. So I will have another entity called books in my application. I will have a column called title, which will be type string. I will also have another column called author, which will be a relation to user, right? Also, I will have another table, tags for some primitive categorization, which will have a name. So I go back to my books table and define a tags as a relation many to tags. So I will be able to define many tags for my books. So I click next. Here I review my application, the stack, the design, the entities, and I click Create Project. So I will go to this page. Here I will see, this is the last one. For the purpose of the demo, I already pre-generated the demo, but in your case, you would be able to click on the Deploy button, and it will generate a live demo for you in a few minutes. Here you see the message. Okay, so in my case, I click on the already pre-generated demo. So here is it. It's a bookstore. So you will be able to log in. It's a completely working live application with database. So you see the list of entities here, users, books, tags, etc. So for example, I have a tag already defined, bio. I can define another tag, will be fiction. And I can create, for example, a new book. I don't know, Flatlogic book, which will be, I will be an author, and the text will be bio. Okay, it's not a fiction, right? So that's my book, and basically that's it. I can manage data. That's actually a content management system. You can create entities, manage entities, etc. You can display entities. Here you can change the color scheme of your application. You can choose a dark mode, for example. Also, another step is that I can go back to my projects and click on the download link. So it will send me the file with the source code of the application. I can open it using my favorite IDE. It will have the following structure: backend, frontend, and Docker. So if you have Docker, you can simply run Docker and install it very fast. To run it locally, I go to frontend directory. I run yarn, of course, before to install the dependencies, and then I run, I forgot what to run. I run yarn run start backend, but I need to have backend started first. So I go back to backend directory and run my backend. Sorry, just 1 second. Here is it. And I run my front end. So the backend is running and the front end is running. So basically, the idea is that we are trying to simplify you the process of software development, of web application software development as much as possible. So you can use this application as a skeleton, as a foundation of your further applications. So you can start from scratch, or you can use this code. You can preview the demo here. And so that's it. So the application is available here. Locally, you can click it and use the source code. Thank you very much, and please let me know if you have any questions.